Peace, family, peace, 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 peace. All right, so I hope you guys are having a phenomenal day. Today's video is going to be a little different. This video was inspired by a video that I had watched last night on YouTube. And if you guys don't know, my dream goal is to own an 8-bedroom home with 6 bathrooms. And last night when I was on YouTube, I seen this 8-bedroom home that, honey, I'm gonna be in. Okay, don't know how, whatever. Maybe this YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Deena, Bryant. I do these inspirational videos, just talking about life, talking about the universe, things that I've been through, going through, and grew through. And so today's video is gonna be a little different, because I'm gonna do a tour, okay, of my Section 8 apartment. Now, I was kind of skeptical about doing this tour because the whole stigma surrounded by Section 8, but it was several times that I told you guys, if you are from my Facebook channel, you guys already know that I spoke about me being on government assistance. And I'm gonna just give you a background story. So when I first had to get on welfare, right? I was pregnant with my oldest son at the time, and I needed to get on there. I was 18 years old, and I needed to get on there because in order for me to have my child, right, I needed Medicaid. And so when my cousin told me, like, you're gonna have to get on there, like, I cried and cried and cried because the whole stigma behind it. And but it is really helped me and my children out. And I think while you on government assistance, being a single parent, the phenomenal thing about that is that you could build, right? Like whatever it is that you want, you can build, you know, a legacy while you're on there. You don't have to give up on your dreams or goals or whatever. And that's what my whole channel, this whole channel is about. It's about me. It's about me going. It's about me striving. It's about me still having goals, and creating a lifestyle for my children where as though you know, we could look back and be grateful for us having help from the government, but also it comes a point in time where so we off it. So without further ado, okay, I'm gonna give you guys a tour. And to the single mother that's out there, right, that you probably feel a certain type of way, I'm talking to, you know, my 18-year-old self. Honey, you can have and be whatever it is that you say you want, okay? Never think that because you on Section 8 or food stamps that you can't have anything, and that you have to stay on there for the rest of your life, because the truth of the matter is you don't. And it's good while you get the help, but it's also good whereas though you could look back and say, I remember I was on, you know, WIC or government assistance or whatever it is. Like, honey, I be looking from here, from the camera to here. But you could look back and be like, I remember when, you know, I was on these things and, you know, things of that nature, not forget where you came from, and just give the next person inspiration and inspire the next person to let them know that they do not have to stay there. A lot of times I believe it's like the mindset, right? Is the mindset, and is what we've seen growing up, right? I told you guys up into probably like 5 years ago, I thought that I would never be able to have, you know, a 8-bedroom home. Speaking it into existence. I thought I would never be able to have those things because, you know, when I watch TV, you don't see too many people of color on there. At least the shows that I was watching at that time, it was a bunch of Lifetime. Too many women of color with, you know, big, beautiful homes and stuff like that. And that's another reason why you got to change your environment, because once I started doing personal development, once I started understanding the laws of the universe, it is not biased. So it's not gonna give one set of people something and another set of people, it's not gonna do that, right? We are all one in essence, and when I say one, I mean that pain doesn't discriminate. We all have energy, vibration, and frequency, and that's what your results is based on, right? Your energy, vibration, frequency, and the thoughts and the emotions and everything that you tend to follow up with in an alignment. So basically just your belief system, right? If you feel like you're not worthy, you're gonna act as if you're not worthy, and the universe is just gonna respond back to you with confirming your belief system, right? And so my whole thing is I needed to change my belief system, and that was the purpose of me even doing these videos, because I said I wanted to get people out the matrix, and I didn't know exactly what that meant. I just know I was sitting on the floor in the living room, and I just was like, I want to get people out the matrix. And so that's what happened. I meditated and I got that download, and I've been doing videos ever since. So without further ado, I know I'm rambling. Let's take a tour. Okay, so this is the house tour. Okay, so this apartment is a 3-bedroom apartment and 1 bath. And over here, this is my youngest son, Javon, sitting on the sofa. And then right here, we have this steamer. I use this crate I had got from Michael's to steam. And then over here, like my workout equipment, my yoga mat, and things of that nature. Also, this is the kitchen area. So this is the living room. This is the kitchen. I had got these chairs from off of Amazon. I had this furniture for about 5.5, 6 years, right? So I had got this furniture from off of Amazon, these red chairs. And then this table, I got this table, honey, this table was even older than 5 years. But I got this table from, I think it was Sleep Cheap. I got this table, and right here is just pretty much the kitchen area, and over here is like the kitchen, is like the herbs over here. Then we have the cabinets and stuff like that. So this apartment is like, it's an older apartment. I don't know like when it was built, but it's older. Right here is the tea kettle. I had got that tea kettle right here from Home Goods. Then we have our herbs and stuff like that. Then cereal, and then our fridge. Okay, and here we have like pretty much salads and a few condiments and things of that nature. I was gonna tell you guys something. Okay, and this honey can't even get in there. Okay, and here, like, I'm always like writing stuff down, like pertaining to my goals and stuff like that, because I think it's like really, really important. And this is like this is the closet. I really store bags and stuff in there, and we have like canned goods, one canned good, and then it's canned goods over there, honey. Who want to organize this? Also, in this area is water, and I had got this basket thing from off of Target. I thought it was dope because you could put, tissues and paper towels and stuff like that in there. And then we have a bunch of water and then soups and stuff. Okay. And so I keep this here. This is like the hallway to downstairs, like to the people that live downstairs. I keep this rug here pretty much so I won't smell the smoke. And there is Amani. And over here is my room with all of Amani toys and stuff in here. And then my closet. No, Amani. And then the TV and my closet. And here is the bathroom. So this toothpaste right here, like I love this toothpaste. It is so good. Also, this hand soap from Milk. This hand soap, and this is like pretty much the Money didn't even flush. This is pretty much the soap and stuff that we normally use, Dr. Bonner's. And then this is like the bathtub and stuff like that. Okay, the boys' room. Okay. And this is the closet. This is my oldest daughter / youngest daughter. And I say oldest daughter because, honey, my oldest daughter be MIA. Okay. So my youngest daughter sleeps in here. She's supposed to, but she be sleeping in my bed majority of the time. Okay, and this is like pretty much outside. Okay, and this is her closet. So, all right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. And I just wanted to come on here really to inspire, you know, that person, that whatever it is that they want, that they can have. You know, I know a lot of times we tend to say sky is the limit, but in all actuality is really, you know, there's really no limit, right? Only the limit that we tend to place on ourselves. So with that being said, I love you guys, love you. Make sure you're rocking out, believing in yourself, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.